Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim your videos on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device, and once you open it up, you can immediately start creating a new project, or you may also open up any of your previous saved ones. Now, when you open up your project, you can go into the Media tab in order to add various different assets within your project to start editing right away. Now, if you have a media or a video that you would like to split or cut, then simply tap on this video and you will now see the trim/split option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now see various different options. You can tap on trim left if you wish to delete the left part of the vertical bar. And similarly, if you wish to delete the right part of the clip, you can tap on trim right. You can also tap on split in order to divide the video into two different parts from the vertical bar. When you do this, your video will be split into two parts. Finally, there is the split and insert freeze frame option. This will split the video and freeze the exact frame for a few seconds where the exact split was made. Just choose your desired split option and your split will be made based on your choice right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to split your videos on the KineMaster video editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.